And for more than 48 hours, a deadly nor'easter has pounded the 1,000-mile stretch of the east coast of US. Millions have been left without power. 7 people have been killed after massive flooding due to hurricane-force winds and sideways rain and snow. America's National Weather Service has said that the snow and rain will taper off as skies clear, but wind gusts of up to 80 km per hour is expected to persist for the next 24 hours. Governors of Virginia and Maryland have declared a state of emergency because of the persisting conditions. More than 3,000 domestic and international flights have been cancelled. And more than a dozen trains were also cancelled. Passenger railroad Amtrak has said that it is working to restore services across the region as it removed down trees on tracks. While in Canada, Ontario province saw its heaviest snowfall in almost 20 years. 20 centimeters of snow accumulated in the region. The snowstorm brought little trouble to the city traffic and air travel due to timely snow removal efforts by the local authorities.